What is up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be rocking the pistol only challenge. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so hopefully you can try to find boss in this pistol only challenge. First, we should check keycard spawn. By the way, on one of these shells, there is a possible keycard spawn. Oh, hot sauce right off the bat. Nice, let's go. Quick, easy hot sauce. We're going to try to get a loot up a little bit. And then we're gonna get straight into the PvP. There's always some good stuff for me. One time I found a Glock here. One time I found a really good gun here. But obviously we are unable to take it. But I wouldn't mind like another Glock leg or something. But well, maybe not. I think I have too much attachment already. Alright, let's try to go into some PvP. Another bandage. See, you never know when you're gonna need bandages or just anything in general. So I guess I have a lot of guns, but get on. Let's see if there's anybody around here. Check for any campers. One player down. Maybe two. We get both of them. He's got a shotgun. Can't use it, but we can pick it up though. Yeah, I could have sworn I saw two, but maybe not. Okay, here. Oh, nice. Tier 1 armor. Pretty bad, but it'll still do the protection that we are in need of right now. We take these attachments. Laser sight. It's actually a pretty good money rate. I might just extract with this, but I wanna get into one more PvP. So I wanna do some more PvP. So where should we go? Actually. See anybody. Let's try to go into Squeaky real quick. Wait, it's open. Feel looted. Moving down. What's these any players? 3 dead scavs. Not seeing anybody else though. Oh, sounds just like a scav. Alright. Oh, heard some shooting. I think that's actually gonna be it for the first raid. Because you do have Viper's hot sauce, so shout out to Viper sauce, by the way. And yeah, alright, well, easy first raid. I think I have a raid, not too much. Alright, so little problem. I may or may not have forgot to heal up, but it's alright. We don't need it. Oh, I still have this shot. Oh, I forgot to put away the shotgun. Uh-oh. Well, Guess we're carrying a good for no use shotgun. There's a player spawn. And I forgot to put away my Viper sauce. Uh-oh. We are... Most of the time, always players over here. Uh-oh. We gotta get over there. Let's try to move it slowly. Probably can't hear us. No matter what. We're gonna try this slowly. Alright, we switched up the kit a little bit. We have a JW11 2011, or whatever you call it. Not that good with names, but try to loot up these boxes. 80 so far. Okay, we have a bunch of PvP going on. Come on, we gotta get that fast. Come on, that might actually be boss.
Vlci jsou někde blízko, dávej bacha.
This guy's down. Quick magazines. PS. Nope. Not SKS, yeah, SKS and a backer off. Okay, so we're waiting for a boss. This is looted. Is the boss here? It's also looted. Okay. Alright, same exact spawn. We're rocking the same kit as last time. We're not gonna loot up this time. We're just going straight for PvP because I feel like a little PvP, little freak right now. I'm trying to avoid these guys. Oh, let me stop. How?
Do prdele, všichni tady chcípnem!
Well, I did bring a medicine, by the way. Ooh, medicine ate a bandage, I guess. Let's go check for... Oh wait, never mind, I did bring medicine, I forgot about that. Okay, let's see if there's skull. No skull. Okay. Ooh, grenade. Ooh, I'm gonna use that. Okay, I guess I'm not. Well... Well guys, I'm sorry. It wasn't a very successful video, but I guess that's about it. So see you guys in the next one.